Welcome to Vollrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and we're in the Vollrath Test Kitchen today to learn how to adjust your cup dispenser. Understanding how to adjust your cup dispenser will keep your customers happy and your operation running smoothly. First, remove the bezel from the dispensing unit to expose the mounting holes and adjustable components. Inside, you'll also find a pressure plate featuring a dome design that accommodates large and small cups. Loosen the 3 adjusting screws without removing them. Then push the pressure plate down into the tube and rotate the ring to widen the opening. Next, insert a short stack of your desired cups and rotate the ring until the fingers retain the cups. With the cups in place, lightly tighten one of the adjusting screws to hold the ring in place. Then, test the dispenser by pulling cups from the tube. Adjust if necessary. The unit should allow you to pull 1 cup at a time with minimal drag. If functioning correctly, fill the dispenser with a full stack of cups. Next, retighten the remaining 2 adjustment screws and reattach the bezel. Smooth cup dispensing starts with a sound understanding of your product. To learn more about this or any other Vollrath product, visit us online at vollrath.com.